Yo, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be prepping my car for dyno tune number 2. Hopefully by the end of this week, I'll be getting a dyno tune. I already set up the date and everything. I know you guys haven't seen my car start yet since I put the cams in, but we're gonna do that in this video. Right now, I am actually going to be putting in my new Mishimoto intercooler, the 4-inch core. The 3.5 inch or 4 inch, I forgot which one it was. But I'll be putting my Mishimoto intercooler on, and Julian is actually gonna be on his way right now. And I'm gonna show you guys what my old intercooler looked like. The way that the fan setup is, it basically made a hole in the intercooler. So hopefully this time I'm gonna prevent it by putting a bigger intercooler and spacing it further back. All right, so I already went ahead and took off the intercooler, and this is what I was talking about, that right here, it hits against the fan. This is what the old intercooler looked like. The way that the mounting point was, it literally lifted this top part here, and as you can see, this is where the fan was hitting, and I forgot what this was. Oh, this right here was this middle bar right there. But as you can see right here, right there, that's the hole that's in the intercooler. So I'm gonna be switching that out with the Mishimoto intercooler, and I'm gonna go bring that out and bring up the couplers and then see how everything will mount up. All right, so I'm getting this process along. This is actually my first intercooler, which was from eBay. It didn't really do well, but this is the bigger intercooler, and my Mishimoto intercooler is still inside the garage. But I was checking the couplers, and this one on the side for the intercooler was actually really, it was on its last leg. If you can see that. Didn't go through, which is good, but I had a feeling that it was gonna go through soon because it broke through the third layer. Oh, can't see it. It broke through the third layer. I think there's 4, if you see right up in there. It broke through like the third layer, so it was almost there. It was rubbing up against right here on my car. So I'm gonna use that coupler and put it there. And then what I'm gonna do is I have 2 different couplers for the end right there of the intercooler that I have to go get, that I still haven't got. But I'm gonna go get those right now and then see if I can just at least mock up the intercooler, and then Julian's gonna come and help me with the metal pieces. Think that's enough? That needs to go up more, right?
Nah, bro. If it goes up more, I'm gonna cut the whole thing off.
No, like, oh yeah, you're right.
It's probably gonna look cool in the video.
This thing is heavy.
Popular machine shop.
All right, so let's try to fit this up there. Now what we have to do, cut in and do all that again?
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut the thing again.
There we go. That's a better view. We're almost done mounting the intercooler. We just got these bent and cut right here. Thanks to Julian. Basically remodifying. But now what we're going to do is basically take this bolt out and then bolt it up from top here to make it like more symmetrical and even. All right, guys, I didn't really record much, but we are almost done mounting the new Mishimoto intercooler. Julian, thank you for your help. We're trying to modify it so we can, oh my God, it'll slip. Ow. Oh my God. Yeah, that burns.
Almost went through your fucking intercooler.
Holy. You can't trust this man to do anything. Oh my God. Rapido machine shop. Anyways, we're almost done with the intercooler. All right.
This is the beginning of LGM right here.
Yeah, literally.
Well, no, this is us right here. Fuck the other.
Because if it's held that way, it'll keep the top from going backwards.
Yeah.
There have to be another one on the bottom to keep it back from in and out.
We have.
Because what we did at first, we had this bar right here, and like we put it with the bar, but
it was just all lopsided and.
yeah, and like since now it sits higher, it's not gonna work because we literally made screws on that bar right there.
I have the bar with me.
We just, but that bar isn't too secure.
Yeah, it's like flimsy.
It's like flimsy. I'm like, so we were also gonna make bars in the bottom because we bought like a steel bar.
Yeah, the one you showed me a picture of.
Yeah, that one exactly.
I might be able to mix these two things here. If I have a tab coming together like a Y,
Yeah.
it would attach to here. Yeah, it's a Y would attach to here. Hold it up.
And then the two tabs on the bottom that will screw in.
Yeah. And a lot of times too, sometimes you don't even need two at the bottom. You just need one.
Oh, okay.
To literally keep it from going backwards.
Yeah.
So we'll just need two to go this way.
Oh my God.
Need help?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't get over.
Oh, in
Call it
front.
flat,
Oh, he
right?
doesn't have a flatbed.
No, it have to be like a flatbed.
What happened?
Tow it to the demo.
No, just tow it out of the
Like,
driveway.
So it's out like the driveway and into the street.
All right, so we out here. We almost have the intercooler fully mounted up thanks to LGM. And why you look like that? Oh my God. And thanks to Julian. I didn't get to that part yet, but thanks Julian as well for helping doing that bottom bracket. But we almost have the intercooler all good. What's the next part?
Cut.
Alright, let's see if we can cut. Gotta put it up to it first, a little bit, just to see where it's at. Nope, it's off.
see what you doing. I'm gonna record you doing. I'm gonna record you doing something.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, I did good. I did good.
It's sideways.
It's sideways, but I mean, it's still on the line. They just say color inside the lines, right? You're way off. It's gonna break.
That's the whole point.
No. I need to take that tape off. I don't want that tape no more.
Well, you're gonna have to bring me a hammer though.
Why?
Because there's a little metal piece right there. Yes, sir.
You gonna tighten it more?
Time what?
No?
Can, yeah.
Just a little bit more. I think I see that gap. I don't know.
There's a little tiny gap.
No, not that one.
I don't really want to tie in there because I think,
Oh, okay, that's good.
yeah, that's like it.
Alright.
I don't want it to go more. That could be dangerous.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta tie it on this. I mean, that's why this is moving so much. But other than that, I mean,
Yeah, other than that, it's alright. Time to lower the car. Oh, there it is. All right, so this is gonna be the first start with the new intercooler. Hopefully this thing starts. I don't know if it's gonna start. Yeah, it is a ton. Now it's gonna run a little bit rougher because I got the new intercooler on and all that. I think it's running lean. Or not lean, rich. Yeah, it's running fully rich. What is going on, everybody? From the last clip you did see last night, we did get the intercooler put on. I'm gonna show you guys one more time on how the Mishimoto intercooler looks. I'm actually on my way to work right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how the car sounds before I close out this video. I'm glad that I finally got this intercooler on, and we're gonna be getting ready for the tune. So that's what the Mishimoto intercooler looks like. Looks really nice, and I never showed you guys the startup on with the new cams. So let's hopefully see if it doesn't get into limp mode. There we go. Oh, and I didn't show you guys, I have the new boost controller as well, the AEM True Boost. everybody. Right now I'm at my boy Julian's house and we got that intercooler installed, and today's the next night, and right now I'm going to be installing new injectors. I'm just taking them out right now. These are the old ones. These are the 550cc injectors, and I think one of my subscribers did want to buy them for me, and they work perfectly fine. I just got to upgrade so I can get some more boost, more fuel into there. I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna show you guys the new injectors. All right, so I got the injectors out. These are the brand new 650cc injectors that I'm about to be installing. They're actually a lot heavier than the other ones that I have in there. And these actually come with a sheet, basically the flow chart on how these flow. I have some stickers in there as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna hold on to this for the tuner, and I'm about to install these injectors, and I have the lubricant that basically assists it into the fuel rail. So I'm gonna get started on that and then show you guys basically when I start it up. All right, so I got the injectors installed. Just gotta make sure they're snug up in there. Should be good. So I'm gonna see if I can try and start the car right now. All right, so I gotta get from there to there. Thanks, Florida. Yeah, for real. Thanks, Florida.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. All right. I'm gonna need you to check for me if there's fuel leaking. Everything seems to be good. Really rich. It's actually really rich. 11.4, 11.3.
You gotta dial it down.
Yeah. All right, so injectors are installed, 650cc.